Hello, everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever cleaned your room and then messed it up again the next day? One day, everything is neat. Books are on the shelf. Toys are inside boxes. Shoes are lined up nicely. And the next day, boom. Everything is everywhere. Toys under the pillow. Crayons on the floor. One sock missing forever. Did you know computers also see information like this? Some information is neat and organized. Some information is messy and scattered. And today, we are going to learn the difference between them. This is called structured data and unstructured data. And by the end of this video, you will become real data detectives. First, let's understand something very important. What is data? Data is just information. That's it. Your name is data. Your age is data. Your favorite game is data. Your test marks are data. Even the photo you clicked yesterday is data. We are surrounded by data all the time. But here's the interesting part. Not all data looks the same. Some data is organized. Some data is not. Let's start with the organized one. Imagine your school attendance register. It has columns like name, class, roll number, present or absent. Everything is arranged in rows and columns. Nothing is random. Nothing is confusing. Everything has a place. This is called structured data. Structured data is data that is neatly organized, usually in tables, so computers can easily read and understand it. It follows a pattern. It follows rules. It is predictable. Let's look at an example. If we write Ria, age 10, likes math, Arjun, age 9, likes science, Mira, age 10, likes art, this can be placed into a table. Once it is in a table, a computer can quickly answer questions like, who likes science? How many students are 10 years old? Which subject is most popular? Computers love structured data because it is easy to search, easy to count, and easy to analyze. Structured data is like a timetable, a mark sheet, a scoreboard, a calendar, or a neatly arranged bookshelf. Everything is in the right place. Now let's look at the other type. Imagine opening a box filled with random things. Inside you find photos, drawings, voice recordings, videos, a birthday card, a comic book, and maybe a chocolate wrapper. All of these things are meaningful, but they are not arranged in rows and columns. This is called unstructured data. Unstructured data is information that does not follow a fixed format. It is free. It is flexible. It can be text, images, sound, or video. For example, a selfie you take, a voice message you send, a story you write, a YouTube video you watch, or an emoji-filled chat. These are all unstructured data because you cannot easily put them into a table. Let's try. How would you put a photo into rows and columns? You can't. How would you organize a song into a spreadsheet? That's very hard. This is why unstructured data is more complicated for computers to understand. When computers see structured data, they just read it. But when computers see unstructured data, they must think. They must analyze the picture, understand the words, recognize sounds, and find meaning. This is where data scientists come in. Data scientists are like detectives and organizers. They take messy information and turn it into something useful. For example, If a computer looks at thousands of pet photos, a data scientist teaches it how to recognize this is a dog, this is a cat, this is a bird. That's turning unstructured data into structured understanding. Let's compare both types in a fun way. Structured data is like a clean classroom, while unstructured data is like an art room after painting. Structured data is easy to measure, while unstructured data is full of creativity. Structured data tells you how many, while unstructured data tells you what and why. Both are important. Both are useful. Let's see where we use them in real life. In school, your marks report is structured data, while your essay is unstructured data. On your phone, your contact list is structured, while your photos and chats are unstructured. On YouTube, your watch history numbers are structured, while the actual videos are unstructured. Every day, we create both kinds of data without realizing it. Here's something amazing. Most of the world's data today is actually unstructured. Every minute, people upload millions of photos, hours of video, and thousands of voice messages. That's a lot of messy information, and the future needs people who can understand and organize it. People like you. So here's the big idea to remember. Structured data is neat, organized, and easy for computers to read. Unstructured data is creative, messy, and needs more intelligence to understand. And data science is the skill of working with both. Next time you click a photo, write a story, or fill out a form, think about it. Are you creating structured data or unstructured data? Because guess what? You are already creating data every single day, and that means you are already on your way to becoming a data scientist. Keep observing, keep questioning, keep learning, because the world runs on data, and the future will be built by those who understand it. See you in the next lesson, data detectives.